Hey folks, Mr. McStache in the McStache Garage. You can tell by all the stickers. I'm going to do an all you didn't know that you really want to know, because some people think you want to know facts about nunchucks. The only fact you need to know about nunchucks is you should wear a helmet when practicing.
I'm an idiot.
Oh, you didn't know?
Facts you really want to know about motorcycles. The world's smallest motorcycle has a 16mm front wheel and a 22mm rear wheel. What? You want to know what's in my saddlebag? In my saddlebag is my logo.
I'm an idiot.
Oh, you didn't know?
When you got 3 bikes, you do a lot of cleaning. But did you know the longest distance ridden in 24 hours on a motorcycle is 2019 miles, and was done on electric glide? So you street glide and road glide people, just so you know.
I'm an idiot.
Oh, you didn't know?
When cornering a bike, even this bike, 75% of the grip is on the front wheel.
I'm an idiot.
Oh, you didn't know?
In the motorcycle show Chips, you know, the one with the two Kawasaki police motorcycles out in in California, highway patrol. Eric Estrada, the star, had to go through 8 weeks of intense motorcycle training for the show, and then the whole time they was filming the show, he didn't even have a motorcycle license.
I'm an idiot.
Oh, you didn't know?
In Japan, they built a motorcycle that runs on human waste. It has 2 gas cylinders that hold compressed gas, turns the waste into biofuel and holds compressed gas. It can travel up to 300 kilometers, which is just a little past 100 miles. Electric people, you might want to check that out. I mean, it goes a little bit further, and the refill time, I assume, is a little quicker. Just so you know.
I'm an idiot.
So there you go, folks. Brought to you by Chopper Fett, because nobody really wants to know facts about nunchucks. They want to know facts about motorcycles. So from Chopper Fett and Mr. McStache, love on your family, check on your buddy, and when you get back out there, folks, keep it rubber side down. We'll see you in the next one with more stuff you can use.
I'm an idiot.